Given the data below where we have 30 observations, I am going to fit an appropriate probability distribution. So what I'll do is I'll click on the return key, then click on code, and then enter these 30 observations. So it will be y is equals to, and then open brackets, then I enter all these 30 observations. So when I have typed in all those observations, I just put in a semicolon, because there's no need of displaying this on the screen. And then I click on run. So after clicking on run, then I click on the return key. So I can just verify if the data has been entered in the workspace here. And we see that we have y 1 by 30. So we are having the 30 observations in this data set here. So I'll go on and click here, and then go on and click on the apps. Then look for the data filter. So I'll click on this drop down. Then look under Maths, Statistics, and Optimization. So we have a distribution filter here. So I'll click on that. And we have this dialog box appearing. So we now need to select the data, because at the moment it's saying select data to begin distribution fitting. So we click on data here. And then where it says data, I click on data set, select the Y that I've just entered. So after creating the Y there, we see a preview of the dataset. Then I click on create dataset. So I can just close this one here. And then we have our dataset appearing here. So the next step now is to go on and fit the distribution. So we click on new fit. So when we click on new fit there, we then go on and choose the type of distribution that we can fit. I can just put this by the side, because we need this plot here to guide us. So from the histogram that we have, we see that it is symmetric and it is bell-shaped. So this is the form of a normal distribution. So here on distribution, by default is saying normal. But because of this shape, that's the distribution that we choose here. So there are various types of probability distributions that are here. So you just choose on the appropriate one. But in this case, we say that we are choosing the normal just because the shape here is bell-shaped and it's symmetric. Then I go on and apply. Then we have the probability distribution that has been fitted is this one here. And we see that it's almost fitting perfectly the data. And we have the parameters of the fitted distribution, the mean 14 and the standard deviation 1.94759. So that's the fitted distribution there, and its parameters being shown here. But if you want to go on and add another probability distribution, you click again on new fit, and then you choose the distribution. So for example, in this case, if we choose the exponential distribution, this one here, then I go on and click on apply. So we now have the exponential distribution has been plotted there, and its parameter, the mean is 14, the mu, the parameter for the exponential distribution. So for the exponential distribution, we are saying is this line here. We see that it's a poor fit to the distribution that we are having here. It's not appropriate at all. So this distribution there is not the appropriate one, but the normal one that we first did is the appropriate one. So I can just close this one. So for the parameters that we have just obtained, the mu and the sigma for the fitted distribution, we can go on and use them for further analysis. Thank you.